Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resubmit a batch of invoices that AUDREY failed to send out for whatever reason. And we can find out those invoices through the AUDREY transaction log report. So I'm going to go ahead and launch the report. I'm going to backdate it to include some sample data in this video. Okay, so on this report here, we can see that there are some invoices that are shown on this report with the status of M. M means that it has maxed out the number of attempts. So if we set a limit to 4, for example, it tried 4 times and it failed. So we have on this report, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 or 6 invoices that need to be resubmitted. Okay. So from this AUDREY transaction report, we can essentially we have a record of these invoices that need to be resubmitted. Okay, let's exit out of the report. So the first step that we want to do is go into invoice batch print. Okay, within the invoice batch print, just make sure that you have this revision date or newer, 2019. November 26 or newer. With this version, there's an option, AUDREY batch, right here. Okay. Within here, you can apply a filter to select a group of invoices containing the AUDREY status of M. So, for this illustration, I'm going to backdate it. You can backdate it to whatever, maybe a day or 2 or a week, whatever. But for this demonstration, I'm going to backdate it further to include those invoices. Okay, click on apply, and here they are, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these are the invoices that need to be resubmitted. And once they're on the list, I can click on this. Sure, yes. So these invoices are now ready to be reprocessed. Next, we want to click on email batch. In doing so, the system will go through and regenerate these invoices for AUDREY to be sent. Okay. Depends on the speed of your system. It may take a few minutes, and depends on the number of invoices to be processed. But this is the cycle it's going to go through. Okay. And when it's done, are you sure you want to clear the invoice batch? Sure. You can answer yes here. And of course, you can repeat the steps if you need to resend the batch again. So I'm going to go ahead and clear this now. Okay. Close out. The next thing I want to do is go into AUDREY. Okay. So now the batch is ready for AUDREY to process. So I'm going to launch AUDREY. Okay. And within AUDREY, we do have a task to send out invoices. And in this case, this is the task right here. So I'm going to go ahead and go into it. First, check to make sure that we have the list of customers that have signed up for AUDREY invoices. So we have 3 for testing. Under schedule, task. Okay. Typically, this task is scheduled to run at a certain time and the frequency that we set here. But because we want to send it out right away, we can go ahead and select launch task right up here. Okay, so now it says the task is ready, started. We can click on OK, exit out of this, and we can go into the status column here. And we should be able to see some of the invoices being processed and sent. And we can also confirm in the email box. In this case, we are sending it to ourselves, so we can see that these invoices are now being received in the system. Okay, so that's it. That's all the steps you have to go through. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please send us an email to support@compexsoftware.com. Thank you.